Welcome to Financial Habits. In this video we are going to talk about what Amazon is expecting from MGM. So before starting this video, like this video, and subscribe to Financial Habits for future updates. It was rumored last week that Amazon was in talks to buy MGM for $9 billion. The wider Hollywood ecology, like a gang of snobby high schoolers, rarely agreed on anything. When the news first surfaced, however, the staggering sum was widely regarded as an overpayment. The rules of engagement have altered, as a result of the c'est la vie period of media mergers and consolidation in which, well-resourced tech-backed corporations are cannonballing into the entertainment, business, and every company is reorienting itself around streaming. Dealmakers such as agents and financiers have long attempted to entice Silicon Valley's vast money to Hollywood. Netflix and Amazon, on the other hand, decided to construct their own studios, buying people rather than companies, according to Lucas Shaw's weekly screen time newsletter for Bloomberg. Amazon could be about to make a 180-degree turn. With the many delays of Daniel Craig's James Bond, swan song No Time to Die muddying up those efforts, MGM has been positioning itself for a sale for a long time. Despite reports that other larger companies have passed on the century-old studio, Amazon has taken advantage of the epidemic to reconsider its film strategy. With outside acquisitions like Borat's subsequent movie film, Coming to America, and without remorse angling to extend its appeal, the company is pushing into a more mainstream approach. Jennifer Salker, the studio's head, wants Amazon to become a hub for mainstream film and television production. Purchasing MGM's library, at a cost that is still very low for a trillion-dollar corporation, aids achieve that elusive goal. The MGM catalog is amazing, and if Amazon is successful, they are obtaining important supplementary intellectual property rights, and remake rights to hundreds of titles. Thomas Hughes, the America's CEO of VULR, the worldwide online content marketplace for premium film and TV rights, told Observer. The James Bond series, though 007 rights are linked with Eon Productions, the Rocky and Creed franchises, RoboCop, and the Pink Panther flicks are among MGM's 4,000 film catalog. Among its ranks are classics like The Silence of the Lambs, Four Weddings and a Funeral, and The Magnificent Seven. With 17,000 episodes, MGM has a strong presence on television. The Handmaid's Tale and Fargo are among the studio's prestige-written programs, as are popular reality TV shows including The Voice, Survivor, Shark Tank, and The Real Housewives of Beverly Hills. Hughes believes that the streaming subscription business model is sound. The underlying issue, he explains, is the expense of creating content versus the value of the content, to the corporation that is paying for it. How many subscribers do you need to view a $100 million film on an SVOD platform in order for the $100 million investment to pay off? It's impossible to say from the outside looking in. But, with so much user data at its disposal, Amazon must be convinced that MGM's collection can be safely integrated into the equation. We detect a very modest overlap between the two engaged audience segments, 2.3%, when it comes to a combined Amazon Prime Video and MGM video catalog, Anjali Midha, co-founder and CEO of predictive content analytics platform Diesel Labs, told Observer. This means that the MGM archive will assist in attracting new subscribers to Amazon Prime Video. According to Diesel Labs projections, based on the audience anticipating the upcoming No Time to Die, 88% of anticipators have never watched an Amazon Prime Video original, and bringing all of those anticipators onto the service would increase the total Amazon Prime Video engaged audience by 14%. Amazon estimates that 175 million of its 200 million Prime members have tried Prime Video content in the previous year. It's worth noting, too, that though MGM distributes the 007 series, it doesn't own the rights. When it comes to James Bond, the Broccoli family controls what goes. But, if the deal goes through, that doesn't rule out a one-of-a-kind deal in the future. Amazon has taken very deliberate measures toward becoming a destination for original television. While the studio has struggled to produce films in-house, it has looked to outside acquisitions for prestige pictures. Manchester by the Sea and The Big Sick, two of its most successful films, were both bought out of Sundance. Niche programming success like Transparent and Mozart in the Jungle had mostly good critical praise but did not draw enormous viewers on television. Since then, Amazon has increased its original content creation, with shows like The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel and The Boys becoming smash blockbusters. Coming big-budget films like Lord of the Rings and The Wheel of Time are likely to bolster Amazon's genre presence. As previously stated, the firm has been experimenting with mainstream feature-length films such as Borat 2, $75 million, and Coming to America, $125 million, both of which were acquired for large sums of money from theatrical studios during the pandemic. According to Diesel Labs, the two films increased Amazon's engaged viewer base by 25%. In addition, the acquisition of broadcast TV rights to Thursday Night Football is expected to bring in even more viewers this autumn. Snatching up a top-tier studio for roughly half of Netflix's content budget for this year alone would be a worthy investment, Mida said, especially as the streaming wars begin to look beyond subscriber acquisition and toward metrics like share of hours watched to solidify the value of their services, prices, and to establish robust bases on which to develop next-gen advertising strategies. The Amazon MGM announcement comes only days after AT&T's WarnerMedia and Discovery Inc. announced their desire to unite to form a new entertainment media firm. Many believe that as the arms race for content and fast streaming growth continues, further consolidation within the sector is on the way. MGM could be the last in a long line of dominoes to fall. Hughes stated, "Vast portfolios of content mixed with audience attention is currency. My former firm Lionsgate has a 17,000 title content library and a pay network, Starz, with around 10 million subscribers in the United States and around 15 million worldwide. That asset isn't going to last much longer. It's far too priceless." What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.